Hello everyone, welcome to yet another edition with the Consultee. My name is Chacha Wabara, and today we'll be talking about how you can make money from home as a stay-home parent. Okay, now do you know that you can make a six-figure amount while at home taking care of your kids, or without having to go to work every day, having a 9 to 5 job? You can make a six-figure amount and be that principal member of the family that caters for your home. Okay, now for women, a lot of women these days, over 80% of women in the world these days, make use of this means to take care. Now they can juggle taking care of their kids, cooking, doing everything that you actually have to do at home while making money. And you can do this simply, without stress, without going out dressing up and all of that. I'll show you how you can do it. I have done it. It has worked for me. It has worked for me for over 10 years now, and I'm going to break it all down so that you can understand the various choices you have to make and choose what you know would work for you. Ready? Okay, so if this is your first time here, please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to click on the bell notification so that you can be alerted when a new video comes up. Now let's do this. There are various jobs for you as a stay-home parent. Okay, now when you are at home, your mind is clear. This is the job you can choose. These are the jobs you can do from the comfort of your home. Now let's take it from one. Now if you are internet savvy, as in what I mean by, you can work on a laptop, you can work on your phone, you can work on a desktop, then you can explore the following jobs. Now you can get a job that you must have heard of freelancer.com, you must have heard of guru.com, Upwork, Fiverr. You can get various jobs from those places. Now you can get a job as a writer. I've been writing for so many years, over a decade now. Okay, you can get a job as a writer. You can be an editor, you can be a research writer, you can be a copywriter, you can be an essay writer, you can be a resume writer. Now let me tell you something about a research writer, that one I know properly. An academic research writer can make, you get a writing gig, you get an essay, you get a dissertation to write, you get an assignment, you get a thesis. From that one job, you're able to get up to $500. I'm converting it to naira. Like, you're able to get $500. Some even more. You're able to get $600 for one job. Okay. Now, as an editor, you're able to get like $15, $20 per hour. Now, if you're editing, a huge load of jobs, then you can imagine how much you will be getting. Let's just say your job is spanning over 2-3 weeks, 1 month, a longer duration. You can be getting more than $1,000 in a month. I got this writing gig, okay, and I was paid within the period of 2 months. I was paid over 1 million naira just writing articles. Now you can go on www.freelancer.com and then you can apply, fill in, sign up, and then people will hire you when you apply. People will hire you when you try to bid. When you're bidding, they like what they see. They like what you offer or what you're trying to offer them. They like what you've laid out. They would hire you. You can start small to big. Okay. Same thing with Guru. That was where I got that huge amount of money from, guru.com. So now with these jobs online, you can make a lot of money, get a lot of money in a twinkle of an eye. Just be steady and focused and keep bidding, you will get it. You can make a lot of money as a writer. You can make a lot of money writing as an academic research writer, as an editor, as a resume writer. Now a resume writer, there's some resume writers that earn up to $500 for one job. Companies can hire you to write resumes. There are lots of online companies that need writers, so you can write articles for them. You can do your research for them. Now I'll tell you this: if you're writing as an academic research writer, get this, for a job, for a dissertation, okay, you can pick up to $600 for just one job, depending on your word count. I'm going to tell you that with your word count, even with assignments, you can make up to $100 with just one assignment. And if you're able to complete that assignment in just a day or two and pick up another one, there's no telling how much you can earn in a week. That's for writing. Now, all these writing jobs, there are so many writing jobs you can pick up online. You can go to freelancer.com, guru.com, Elance, Upwork. I think Elance is now Upwork. Fiverr, you get those jobs. All right. You can also apply online through these websites I've mentioned, and even more, as a graphic designer, as a programmer. Okay. And also you can make a lot of money as a copywriter, right? You can make a lot of money as a translator. I know I applied for a job at Appen, right? Appen was looking for translators, and I knew that language. I knew the particular language, Igbo. So I was able to translate a full, transcript for them, and I got paid. I wasn't applying to get jobs from Appen anymore. Once an Igbo job comes up, you just send it to me, send the offer, and I either accept or I just ignore. So it's like that. Once you show that you're able to handle a job, more jobs will come to you. Another way of making money is by being a product tester. You can be a website tester. You can sign up to various websites. Okay, I will try to put them down in the list in my description box below. You can also make money through surveys. I know that Mobrung, yeah, I was using Mobrung. Mobrung pays. So now if you sign up with Mobrung, putting all your details, your data, and all of that, Mobrung will send you surveys that you can help them fill questionnaires, and then you get paid. Now you get paid stipends for Mobrung, 88 cents, $1.65. But at the end of the day, when you get them all together, you can pay little bills. And I think they send it down to your PayPal when it gets to $5. So if you have things you want to buy online, you can just keep stacking up that little money, that you think is so little, and it will help you. Okay. Now another way of making money for stay-at-home parents, especially moms, you can cook. Now there are lots of people that can't cook because they are actually busy, extremely busy with work, with so many things. So they would even want people to cook, and then you send to them. Now I know a lot of women who have made money, who have made name with cooking. So they cook, they pack it up for you, and they deliver it to those homes that need their services. Now if you are cooking and you know that you're a stay-at-home mom or dad, and you're really good, you have good culinary skills, then cook, render your services, send messages to your neighborhood, to your church, to your gatherings where you attend and you're bored. You just tell them, you know what, I cook, so if anyone needs my services, please, I'm available. So with one person patronizing you, two people next time, word of mouth will go through, and people will start patronizing you. There you go, you've made your money. And it's now become kind of like, it's not even kind of, it now becomes a profession for you. It now becomes a skill that you can utilize and that you love doing, as a matter of fact. So you're not stressed at all. Right now, you can also be a weight loss coach. Now if you've added weight and you've been big, and you go out of your way to lose weight, chronicle your weight loss journey, and it works for you, and God helps you, you have one or two clients, you coach them and they lose weight, you could now use them to advertise your expertise, your weight loss expertise. Okay, now you could help yourself do it. So instead of just staying at home, you can now start working out, you can start eating healthy, you can start doing what works for you, and if it works for you, apply to 2, 3, 4, 5 other people, and there you go, your weight loss coach. Now you have to also improve upon your expertise by adding 1 or 2 certificates to it, but it doesn't take more than 6-7 months, I don't know, yeah, and then you're good to go. The next way to make money is by becoming an online tutor. Do you know that you can tutor people, through via Skype and Zoom, even WhatsApp, I think, and you earn money. Now imagine you can speak English, you can teach Chinese students, Chinese people, Chinese people how to speak English language. Just follow the laid down curriculum and you're good to go. You make money teaching. Mathematics, literature, history, what have you, what are you good at, what do you know you can defend. Sometimes there are even online tutor sites, right, that you can go and apply to, and they will hire you. Most times you make as much as $40 for 1 hour. So like, let's just say for one student you tutor them for like 2 hours, you've made $80. So let's just say you tutor like 3 or 4 students in one day, Come on now, you've made money. Okay, so the next way is to open an online market. You become an internet entrepreneur. Let's just say you have things to sell. Lots of people now are selling things on Instagram, Shopify. Okay, sell things on Instagram, on Shopify, on Facebook, on ST. You sell your crafts, things that you can make, handmade things. I know I once wrote an article. ST, when they were just starting out, hired me, so I was writing about their wedding dresses and all that, that someone that they had. I made money that way. Okay, I'll come to that. So now you can make a lot of money selling your things online. So those that sell hair wigs, okay, they don't have stores. You don't have to own a store. Your house can be your warehouse. Okay, so you sell your materials, you sell your handmade products, you sell your whatever it is that you have passion to market, your perfumes and all that, right at home. Okay, you just have a room where you keep your things and you sell. Someone places an order, and then you ship it to the person. You ship it to that client, and it's just as simple as that. You've made your money. You don't need to keep stepping out door to door and saying, oh, please buy from me. Okay, now another way you can make money online. Okay, now you can be a virtual assistant. I know I applied to be a virtual assistant at some point. It's all about you writing emails, writing setting reminders to your client. Anyway, that was what I did for that particular client. Setting reminders. Okay, you're due to do this, you're due to do that. Okay, and you now send emails out, make calls and all of that. It doesn't take you much. If you structure your time, you don't have anything to worry about. At the end of the day, you're making money. At the end of the day, it's either you're getting paid every 2 weeks, bi-weekly, or at the end of the month. And so what have you got to lose? Let's just say you have like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 VA jobs, virtual assistant jobs, and you're able to counterbalance everything on a normal level without any problems or issues. At the end of the month, you should be picking up more than $2,000. Yeah. So now the next one is being a carpool driver. Students taking kids to school. Some parents don't even have that time to take their kids to school, so they are running out of the house each day. Now most of them put their kids into the school bus and all that, but then most of them too would actually tell you, oh, please, since your kid is going to my kid's school, please can my kid join you, please. Now why do you do this selfless act every day? Why don't you cash in on the selfless act? Why don't you tell them, you know what, I actually would help you take your kids to school, bring them back, settle them in, and they can stay with me till you come back for a fee. Okay, so when you put it that way, the parents would actually jump in on the opportunity and pay you, even if you subsidize that rate. Give it a cut and be like, okay, professionally, babysitters charge $300, but I would be charging $150 for each kid, right? So when you do it like that, they weigh the pros and cons, and they're happy. They're even okay with the fact that, okay, their kids are staying with their friends who are your kids, and you're going to take care of them as a mom. Okay, and when they see that, when 1 or 2 people have tried you out and they see that actually it is working out for them, more people will come and ask you. Know that if you're going to be the neighborhood babysitter, you have to really make some plans, get your certification, and then prepare yourself. Okay, now, but you will still make money from it. Now you can also be a customer service representative. Okay, for companies need online customer service representative. Now this period, a lot of people need it. Okay, now if you tender your CV and say you've had experience with being a customer service rep, they will hire you. Okay, so all you need to do as a customer service rep is just to send in emails, take calls, smile, and be nice on the phone, and answer the questions that those who are calling in are asking, and then that is it, and you get paid. You can be a seamstress. Okay, a lot of people need seamstresses. They need tailors, they need fashion designers, they need it. Much as we have so many, we still need more. So you can be the neighborhood seamstress. Every neighborhood needs a seamstress. Nobody wants to travel that far. Once they see that you're good at your job, everyone would literally come and patronize you. Okay, now the other thing is being able to do massage. You can learn it for like a year. I don't know how long they learn it. Okay, I don't want to err on facts. Okay, but if you learn how to render massage to people, a lot of people, and you don't have any problems with clients dropping into your house, dropping by to get your service and pay you, then you have a wonderful job. Because being able to issue massage or to render the service of being able to massage people is an art, is a skill that a lot of people do not have, and is still few, and they pay a lot of money to get that service. So what are you waiting for? You can just convert a room into your makeshift office and put everything there, set it up, and people will just keep coming to get their massage. And you can also become a beauty therapist, okay, as well as someone who renders massage as well. So when you come, when clients come, you can attend to them. Also make money from home by being a virtual recruiter. I am a virtual recruiter. You can make money as a virtual recruiter. Who is a virtual recruiter? A virtual recruiter is someone who hires employees for a subject company. Now, most company employers do not have the wherewithal, the time, the talent to hire qualified potential employees for their company who are able to handle those jobs the way they ought to. Now, what do you do, or what do? They hire virtual recruiters to do the job. Now, as a qualified person, if you've shown over time that you are able to hire employees for companies, people will pay you, companies will pay you. And I've been doing it for over 12 years and it hasn't failed. There's been no downtime. Okay, so if you know what you are able to do properly and you make use of your time at home to disperse those things, I'm telling you, you will make good money. And with this, we've come to the end of yet another time with me. Did you enjoy your time? Please hit the subscribe button and turn up your post notifications, that bell, right? Yeah, turn up your bell notification so that you can be alerted when a new post comes up. Please drop your comment. Did I do well today? Drop your comment, okay? Tell me what you enjoyed, what you did not like. Just leave your comments. Let's just talk, let's discuss it more, okay? If you have more information, let me know. Share it in the comment section. I'll be looking forward to your comments. See you next time. Bye.